Don't feel failure. Not failure, but low aim is a crime. In great attempts, it is glorious even to fail. Bruce Lee. Hello, I'm Miguel Perez, and I go to St. Francis High School. I'm currently working at JAC Carpentry, LLC as a carpenter. I joined GPS Ed program to get a better start at a career pathway in carpentry. One achievement I am most proud of is completing all of MSSEA lessons and passing the exams. In the beginning, I was struggling because I was not able to pass safety exam. Until Rocio and Pierre kept pushing me to do better. I give thanks to them because I have passed all of MSSE exams and I am CPT certified. A learning experience that I will carry on in life would be the mock interviews. I appreciate the effort and I must be prepared professionally during an interview. The dress code expectations, and lastly researching and knowing the values of the place I want to work at. Thanks to the GPS Ed program, I feel better prepared. I will be carrying these professional skills with me into the future. I have learned many things about myself that I never knew before, like I could achieve so much, how much responsibility the world expects of me, and how I must be the best in all I do. Next, I've learned if you are going to fail, it is okay, as long as you find out where the mistakes were made and fix them. Lastly, I also learned that communication is key, whether it is verbal or written, as long as it is done professionally. Now I would like to say thanks to all of the students that I have met during the GPS Ed experience. Thank you to the GPS instructors, Rocio and Pierre, for pushing me to do better even when I gave them a hard time. I would like to say thank you to IT Absorb Tech for letting me be a part of their company family. And lastly, to my own family, I cannot thank you enough for all the love and support. Thank you to JAC Carpentry for giving me a head start in my career pathway as a carpenter apprentice, and St. Francis High School for recognizing my need to join GPS Ed program.